Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and we all use password managers, right? Like, I don't know how many of us use, but you should use one because that's great. That's the best way to manage your all of your password, and in this way you don't have to repeat one password in every of your account, and just you may forgot or something like that happen, so you don't have to remember all of different kind of password or use reuse one single password. But we are not talking about password managers today. So what happened is, some of the password managers or many of the password manager actually have this option. Like, I use Bitwarden have this really great feature that allows you to share like sensitive information or passwords. Like, if you are working in an organization, suppose, okay, and you have to share the social media password for your organization accounts. Like, what we usually do, we share it via WhatsApp or any other messenger app where this data is not that much of secure. Like, yeah, obviously that is not secure, because how it is, like, it is just a messenger at the end of the day. And sometimes, like, horrible things may happen. Some people share it via their Gmail as well, or share it in doc, put that in a Gmail and send it to them. Now, there are tons of security vulnerabilities that can happen in this way. So what Bitwarden does is, Bitwarden, if you are in the pro plan of Bitwarden, which I actually suggest, please go to that, because they provide great software, totally open source and free, for free. Like, some of the people don't even know it has a pro plan. But if you don't have to, okay, you don't have to go for the pro plan. But here is the thing. So if you subscribe to the organization plan, then only you will get this option to share this password. Okay. Now, in the pro plan also, this option isn't available, because that doesn't make sense. With whom you will share the password? They have to have in a like private network of thing, where in the network you can share password. So uh now I am talking about password, and it can be anything, like any sensitive data that shouldn't be leaked. Text version only, no images. Text data that shouldn't be leaked, or that should be handled with like most secured way. Okay, so that is the thing. Now, obviously that is under a paywall. So I have discovered a web app today that does this little thing of sharing a sensitive piece of information in text, data, password, hash keys, API keys, anything. Okay, a little piece of data over the internet with an encryption. So let's just visit the site, and let's just see what like what it has. Okay, so here I am at secret.gl. Okay, this site has nothing to show. This is not a lucrative site, and like totally simple, and it does make sense UX wise as well. So there are two things that you can do. You can use this format, like use this wave format of the website, or you can use it in the command line also. I am totally amazed that they have a command line option available as well. Now, this is an open source project. You can contribute to this project, obviously, and let them know about if any security vulnerabilities that they have, or anything can be sorted out in a better way. You can obviously tell them that. So without further ado, let's see how it works. So you can simply click on start now or create over here. So I will simply click on start now. Now, here you can write multi-line of code. Suppose this is some kind of API key. Okay, you can do that. Suppose some kind of API key, and here is the settings option as well. You can create multiple links for it, like generate multiple trackable links, each with same reachable count. Okay. And you can as wait, you can as well specify a timer for this, like the secret will be destroyed automatically up to 60 minutes. So obviously you have to quick. If I increase up to 60 minutes, obviously it will stay up to 60 minutes. And if I can totally customize it, like most of the cases I would not need 60 minutes. It would be like 3 minutes would be enough, 3 or 4 or 5 minutes would be enough. Like you will just share the code and like tell them, make it like use it, and it will destroy it automatically. Now suppose I am keeping it in one like, 3 minute section, and I'll just click on secret it. Okay, so it has created everything, centralized text keys and all complete. Now I can check it. My secret link is generated, and CLI link also. Okay, I can totally share this key to anyone, and he or she will be able to access it. Your secret key is this. So this is the basic use case of it. Now let me destroy it. On top of it, what you can add, and it is showing nothing is here. So if I go to create, so it basically have two option. One is multi-line option, one is password sharing option. Suppose have to share some password, I can share it there, and multi-line option is for other things. Okay. uh Code, password, link, whatever you wish to share. Prob- Totally. File not allowed, read consideration, learn more. See, now here is the thing. If like one thing that I would like to mention over here that is mostly important is the security vulnerabilities it still have. That is, it can obviously protect you from everything, but something that it can protect you from, that is the clipboard or the browser is hijacked when you are using this web application. So that is not in this application design. Screen recording by third parties, input method or hijacking, and social engineering. Okay, so these are certain things that it can't handle. Maybe in future it can handle it also. Like screen recording can be handled, just like the Hotstar website or Amazon Prime, Netflix website, like restricts the screen recording option in a website. Likewise it can also be prevented in certain ways, I think so. But that's kind of a difficult thing to do right now, but it's totally okay as it's open source right now. And something something more you would like to know about is like the storage policies and all of the things that these have. So store only transmits the clipper text on the network, only stores. Why I'm saying clipper, this is cipher. Whatever, cipher text. uh Privacy, doesn't collect any private things. Expiry, as long as you have set the expiry key, expiration limit. And it is not used for any file sharing because that doesn't make sense. And that's basically it. That's basically it for this whole website. That what I wanted to share. Really great tool. I will be using it a lot from now on. Because I also share passwords and keys through WhatsApp. That is totally, totally not acceptable, obviously. So I will obviously use it from now on. So that's it. That's it for this video. That's it for this website. I loved it. That's why I shared it. If you know about some of the great tools like this, Please let me know about all of them in the comment section below. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know what's like, that's it. Yeah, I have repeated that line already. Whatever. So bye for now.